YouTube, what it do? Lil Petty coming at you guys with another stock market. Today's episode, we're going to talk about a few trades that I was in. We're also going to talk about the call outs. Today was a red day recap, and we're going to show you what we're looking at tomorrow so we could take advantage of the stock market. Let's get to it. So, as we said, today is a red day recap. As you guys can clearly see, I'm showing you guys the good and the bad because this is the real when you're dealing with stocks. You have emotions, you have fear and greed, and that's what drives the stock market. So, I'm here to tell you guys I had a red day. Let's dig into it. Boom. So, red day recap. Markets sold off. I was basically trying to go long while the markets are going short. Let's wrap that up. Let's get into some of the call outs that I had from pre-market notes from yesterday. We're going to look at HUYA, JD, Amazon, and Tesla, and Kron. These are on the call outs. These are on my after-hour notes. So let's go and look and see what happened today in the stock market. We want to show you right here. Also, check out my page, links in the description. So we had a HUYA short play from the call out, played out beautiful. Boom. We also had a JD long. You could have played the long side or the short side. You had all this area to make your play. We have team members giving shout outs saying JD was good, explaining how they've taken their strategy and using their options to play stocks like JD. Also, the Amazon short was also in the call out list, and the Kron short. So basically, I'm calling these call outs, not saying I'm a genie or anything, but I'm calling these call outs, and execution is what's going to show you how to make money in the stock market. You need to be able to execute. You can come in with a game plan, but if you don't execute your game plan, you're not going to be a successful trader for that day. And that's just plain and simple. So let's get to the charts. Let's look at what happened today. Let's look at the options. We want to show you guys the Kron short. So if we come back to the notes from yesterday, we can look at some of the plays that we were looking at. So we have Kron, overhead resistance 24.25. So that's a short opportunity. If it breaks that, then that's a long. It could pull back to test supports. We have the 23 puts. So let's look at the 23 Kron puts. Let's see what they did today. 23 Kron puts. So the 23 Kron puts today opened up 50 cents, came down 30 cents, hit a top 124, 30 cents, $124. Simple play if you execute. Let's talk about the JD. JD could have played JD both ways. Could have played the bounce, or you could have played the sell-off in the morning. So let's look at the sell-off in the morning. Let's go to the notes. JD, 29.28 puts. So let's look at the 29.28 puts. Opened up 6 cents, went up to a highs of 15 cents, came back down. Let's look at the 29s. Opened up 36, came down 24 cents, hit a top 48 cents, settled 30, touched high of the day 53 cents. Lows 25 cents, 50 cents, 100% play. Let's talk about the Amazon play. I want to show you guys the Amazon play. Now let's look at the Amazon. We're bullish long-term, neutral short-term. Could pull back around 1650 or could continue to break 1705. We're looking at the 1640 30 puts. Amazon could come back to 1650. That was in our notes. So let's see what Amazon did today. Amazon opened up 1690, pulled back 1670, downtrending stock. Let's look at the options. 1640s. 1640 puts. Opened up today $1.50. Came up 234. Came down 150. Maybe even touched this 115. Maybe that was one seller, so I'm not going to count that. Came up here $3, $1.69. Played the chop. High of day $4. Came back down. So as you can see, this was in play all day. Could have scalped this. Could have traded the. There was a bunch of ways that you could have traded this. So that was another good execution of plays. And for the last one on the list was, let's see, JD, Amazon, and Cron. Let's look at Cron. Cron had, so let's look at the notes. Bullish. Yesterday we missed the Cron bullish breakout, so I wanted to watch out for it today. Oh yeah, I think we showed Cron. Yeah, we showed Cron already. HUYA. We didn't show you HUYA. That's what we want to show you. HUYA. All right. So HUYA was heavy on the watch list. As if you can see, these are my top stocks. Today, HUYA was a big move, very bullish, looking for confirmation, blah, blah, blah. HUYA, we were looking for it to keep going or look for that pullback because it was already overextended. So this is what HUYA did today. 28, 27 puts. So let's look at HUYA. 27, 28 puts. All right, so these things opened up 25 cents, went up to $1, came back down to 64, went back up to $1.64. Let's look at the percentage. HUYA, 500% play. Yeah, so we're going to end the video with that. I want to show you guys one last thing. Let you guys know today was a red day recap. I did not have my best day trading, but on another note, we did have some good call outs, and that is something to build on. So I'm out of here. Check out my website, links in the description if you guys want to see my updates, the plays. I'm going to post all the notes. You guys have a good day. Peace.